Football first up, interim head coach Paul Hall says he's confident that the Reggae Boys have the team to beat Mexico in Thursday's crucial CONCACAF World Cup qualifier at the National Stadium starting at 7 p.m. Hall will be leading out the team in his first home assignment since his appointment a month ago.
Down but not out, that's the premise on which the Reggae Boys will be approaching this important assignment. After 8 matches of the 14, the Reggae Boys are facing an uphill task after just one victory to be 6th in the 8-team standing. That's 7 points behind Mexico, who occupy the last automatic spot. However, Coach Paul Hall says the players are not short on confidence as everyone knows the assignment ahead.
Players wouldn't have taken the trip. A lot of them have taken aeroplane trips to come here. They've got to make sure that we are focused and motivated on the task at hand. And if we can do that and get into the game and find a rhythm, be expressive with our play, we'll be okay.
Mexico have hit a snag in their last 2 games, losing to Canada and the United States. Plus, they will be without some top players for the game. Chief among them are strikers Raul Jimenez of Wolves and Irving Lozano of Napoli. But Hall doesn't see a loophole.
I think they probably will see the game as being winnable, but they won't want to lose. They're probably going to have the same attitude as ourselves. So it will be. I feel it will be a tight affair, but we'll respect the Mexicans and what they bring. And I would ask my team to make Mexico respect what we bring with our energy and with our rhythm and with our desire.
The squad will be without regular centre-back Anthony Grant, but Hall says he's seen enough to believe in the players he has at his disposal.
We've got players who can play in different positions and do a job for the team, out of position or in position. So we've got different choices and options that we could do. We could change the shape. And still have effective players in your team. So, yeah, I mean, Grant is a big miss for us, as is Watson, as is everybody else. We just need 11 players, first and foremost, and then 23 who can be called on, who can do a job.
And Hall says he's not daunted by the task after replacing Theodore Whitmore at a time when everyone is expecting victories.
The emotions of me being successful with the team as a player makes me want to really be successful as a coach. I don't think I can show that pressure to the players. I must shelter the players from the pressures of what the job is. I don't feel daunted by it. I really want to do really, really well.
When the 2 teams met in the reserve fixture back in September, Mexico came away 2-1 winners. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.